Hello, my name is Eric Chang. I'm the program lead for employee safety. We'll be going over 6 best practices for disinfection and cleaning in the office and non-clinical areas. Before we get into the 6 best practices, it is important that you choose the right product for cleaning. One thing to look for is the DIN number or the drug identification number. This is a sign that Health Canada has reviewed the product and it's going to work. If you're not able to find a surface disinfectant, you can make your own. It's 1 part bleach and 10 parts water. Keyboards in the office are notorious for being dirty. It's important that you pay attention to the palm rests, space bars, and the cracks and crevices. Common surfaces like kitchenettes, conference tables, and countertops need to be cleaned more often to stop the spread of germs. Mobile phones follow you everywhere. It's important that you avoid placing your phone on communal surfaces and clean them frequently, like before you come into the office and before you go home. Think about cleaning behind the case cover as well. Office supplies like staplers, photocopiers, and pens are true criminals for spreading germs. It's important you take time to clean or wipe down your supplies to stop the spread of germs. High contact surfaces like doorknobs, elevator buttons, and faucets are known to have a lot of germs. Wash your hands after touching these surfaces. Personal items like purses and backpacks should be kept off of the floor and communal surfaces. This helps stop the spread of germs.